Hello everyone, this is Teddy Keckstead for a book called High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns. I just want to give you our disclaimer real quick to remind you for our book. So before you channel Forex Trading Unlocked, and now we will get into what the book is all about. High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns available in paperback and Kindle versions. So our live action screen. We have the Forex-Trading-Unlocked.com website pulled up, and if you go to our products, courses, and services tab, you can pull up the high probable patterns page, and on the page we have a video that you can watch that will describe the different methodologies and things that you'll learn in the book. We also have a little copy of the book on the web page here for High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns, where you can either buy it or you can share it, but first you can preview it and check it out. And then at the bottom of the page you can list and subscribe to that if you would like, and you can also find access to other parts of our website from this page as well. And the reasons you want to read this book is you can learn how, if you look at the US dollar Swiss chart from recently, engulfing line buy signal that had occurred. We also have today a buy signal forming. The trading a day is not over. If this market settles where it's at or higher, that would complete either a piercing line or another bullish sell signals. Then you go back, like I said, to our web page and actuate these signals. Now, ironically, Japanese obviously come out of Japan. These methods have over 400 years to trade the stock markets, forex markets, currency markets, option markets, you name it. Recently when we had back in November, we had a bullish engulfing line here that had stamped a nice low on a daily basis. Candlestick pattern forming, but we have to wait for the close. Now, if you want to learn how to apply these trading signals or to use our methodology, you read the book High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns, and you'll be able to find now these signals, many markets, they happen all just as you can see, just in the month alone of November US dollar yen trade, we already had a bullish engulfing line buy signal formed. We have another pattern forming here. We go back to the US dollar Swiss, and we have one forming again. And one of the nice things about knowing these signals, especially like on a day like today, when you have the US dollar Swiss and the US, they're not always the same signal, like a bullish engulfing line or a piercing line or whatever, or maybe that's what you get. In one market you have a bullish engulfing line, another one you have a piercing line, but when these all line up, that gives you a good sentiment like the dollar would be going, because all the currencies are based off of the dollar. When you have a signal say in the US dollar Swiss, the US dollar, and then also say in the Euro US dollar, if you all have buy and sell for the dollar or against the dollar, use dollar strength or weaknesses, and you can use that for options plays, for spreads, for futures, as well as the outright forex markets itself. These can also be used in stock markets and what have you as well, but especially in the currencies, they have to be a yen trader or a Swiss trader. You are, but if you are trading, let's say you're a Euro US dollar trader, and all of a sudden we have this US dollar buy signal for the Swiss, odds are that the Euro US dollar will be trading, at least in the short run. If there's a dollar buy signal or sell signal, that will follow through with that as well. So we'll have to learn more about that when you read the book. Or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Forex Trading Unlocked, because we have videos that post all kinds of analysis on the daily and weekly basis.